I think some of the rooms are still closing, but most people have come out of the breakout rooms now. There's still got a couple people in. So here's my diagram of the problem that you were solving. And I've got a current coming out of the board here, a current going into the board here. Using the grab the wire method, I find that the magnetic field between the plates is pointing that way. So I've defined my coordinate system up here so that x cross y equals z. So z is out of the board along the direction of the current, which means that my magnetic flux density is in the minus x direction. And we solved this problem for an infinite current sheet. So this is due to just one side. I'm going to make it the plus, the top current there. And so I can also say that if I do the same grab the current technique, put my thumb along the direction of the current, then I get, did I do that right? I drew this backwards. This is in the positive x direction, that way. And I get the same direction for the other side. So the bottom is the same. So then I get the total magnetic field, magnetic flux density as A hat X mu naught times the current density. If you want to know what that surface current density is, it's just K equals I over W, the width of the plate. So my flux surface is going to be into and out of the board parallel to the direction of current. And it's also going to have height d between the plates so that it is perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic flux density, because otherwise I won't find any magnetic flux. So when I evaluate that integral, it's going to go from, let's see, z equals 0 to delta L, y equals 0 to d, A hat X mu naught I over W dot, move over a little bit, A hat X dy dz. That's it. And nothing in here depends on y or z, so I just get a factor of delta L and a factor of d there. So my total flux, need a little more space, is mu naught I d delta L over W. And since I wanted the flux per unit length, I take delta L out of here and I put it over there. Okay, we went a little bit over time. I'm sorry about that.